If you have switched your phone or just want to make sure your contacts are backed up, here's how you can sync Google Contacts on your Android automatically and safely. So make sure sync is enabled. For that you have to open your phone setting, and here you have to find accounts or password, or you can simply search for accounts. And once you are in accounts and sync, make sure your Google account is tapped on sync. After that you can manually sync to. For that you can click on Google account and select the account you want contacts to be synced in. For example, I want on this account, and here you can simply tap on contacts again and it will automatically sync now. And it will also show you last sync time. For example, calendar is last synced on April 14 and contacts are synced just right now. And to make sure contacts are synced, you can open browser and go to contacts.google.com and log into your same Google account, and if your contacts show up there, you are good to go. Any device linked to that Google account will now have those contacts automatically. If you ever lose your phone, you just have to sign in into your new device and your contacts will automatically come back like magic. And that's it. Your contacts are now synced and safe in the cloud. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.